All right, folks, we got a Dodge Ram van. Let's see what it's got. It's a short wheelbase. This should be fun. These things have some power. I know it's a V8. It's got to be.
Didn't we get a request for a Ram 1500 or something?
That might have been a pickup, but we'll see. We thought a pickup was coming down. We picked this up today, though. Let's see what happens, folks. All right, stuntman. He almost flipped it, folks. He almost flipped it. Is this thing already glowing? I thought this thing was already glowing. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed at all.
I'm gonna give it another shot, because everyone should get a second chance in life. Criminals, drug abusers, kids that are very naughty.
Neutral droppers, let's go.
Neutral droppers.
Horrible. Could this thing even do donuts? Folks, I'm not a big Dodge fan, and this is probably why. The motor's not even screaming. How sad. I'm in the middle of the donut. All right, you're gonna flip it, stuntman. Getting a little better. Little park roll. Like, comment, subscribe, folks. I never liked Dodges, and this might be the reason. The end on this. Park it, stuntman.